Hey guys, it's Dr. Baird. Today we're going over an exercise called Scapula CARs. So the scapula is just another term for your shoulder blade, and CARs is an acronym for controlled articular rotations. So all we're really going to focus on is taking that shoulder blade through its full range of motion so that we can really improve how we control that movement and the muscles that kind of control how we move our shoulder blades, which is really important for overall shoulder health. The other thing it can help with is, again, those kind of crunchies. Sometimes when we roll our shoulders back like that, you feel those little crunchies in the muscles back there. This can kind of help smooth that out and improve motor control. So to do the exercise, again, all we're gonna do is try to take that shoulder blade through its full range of motion. So you're just gonna start by shrugging the shoulders up. Then you're gonna pull them back and start to pull them down. So again, now I'm squeezing the shoulder blades together, and then I'm pulling them straight down. Think back into your back pockets, and then you're gonna start to roll them forward and really start to spread them apart on that back. That should feel like a nice stretch, and then start to raise them back up. So that's the scapular CAR exercise. A few things to watch for is it should be slow and controlled. This isn't a movement where we're just kind of doing like this. We're really trying to get into that end range of our shoulder blade movement, and in order to do that, you really have to take it slow. And that's all I got for you. Thanks for watching. That's the scapular CARs exercise.